All right, cool. Brittany, I have my client here, Brittany. So I appreciate you for joining the Zoom. So this is just wanted to be able to say thank you so much for entrusting us to help you out with your credit and also your funding needs. So I wanted to speak about Brittany. Before you came to me, tell me a little bit about what was going on. Why'd you end up coming to the Capital Vault and also choosing our company?
So before I came to you, my credit score was in the trenches. I think my credit score when we started was a either in the fours or very low fives. I'm almost positive it was in the low fours, so like 431 or something. So the trenches of the trenches. I had just moved to Houston. My car had gotten stolen. And in order to get a new car, I had to obviously have the credit to be able to get a loan. And I didn't know how to repair my credit myself. And I heard you were the best of the best.
Of course, no, I appreciate that. So I know you started with us around like January and we ended up getting you results around March. Was that
Yeah.
accurate?
hmm
All right, perfect. So I know, like, especially with credit, like, since you haven't really dealt with a lot of people doing credit, how was the process? 'Cause I know at first, like, waiting 30 days to get your disputes just working with anybody's nerve wracking. How was the process
Yeah.
throughout working with us?
It was a pretty smooth process. I was able to track my results through Credit Karma. I believe we also used my Score IQ. I think that's what it was called. And then we also were just keeping in touch. You would send me updates and, just communicate every step of the way of what was going on and what I should be expecting and what I should, be receiving and what I should be doing in the meantime.
Perfect. No, I'm glad to hear that because last time I saw Brittany, she had a new Tesla, she had a Goyard bag. So tell me how the outcome was as far as after working with us for about a couple of months.
Not too much. After a couple of months of working with you, I definitely saw my credit shoot up. My current credit score is a 741. I did go ahead and go get that Tesla with a credit union, and I didn't have to put a down payment or anything down. So I just went, I got my pre-approval letter, went and got my car, and I was able to just drive it off the lot.
All right, perfect, Brittany. No, I appreciate that because I know that was one of your main goals as far as getting a car and just being able
Literally.
to get that headache off.
If right, if you live in Houston, you know that you literally cannot be in Houston without a car. And I was literally losing my mind without having a car.
No, for sure. Well, I'm
So,
glad we are able to help out. And so, like, as far as just like going forward, if anybody's on the fence of working with us, or just me and my company, like, what would you say to that as far as your experience been? So unfiltered.
unfiltered, my experience has been nothing short of amazing. I also have recommended a few people to you, as you know. um, and if you're looking for results, this is the place to come to. You don't get left in the dark about anything. If you have any questions, I can always text you, ask whatever questions it is that I have, any recommendations. In the process of like sending out those dispute letters, you told me about Ava. I went and downloaded that kickoff. You definitely provided, the tools that you need aside of just, getting your disputes in, like other things that can help you build your credit along the way to, kind of speed up the process while you're taking care of things on the back end.
Absolutely. Well, we do appreciate your business, Brittany. It's
Of
really more of a
course.
family because I'm going to have more clients just like you, and you're really thoughtful about the process. So I appreciate you
hmm
for trusting us.
Of course. But yeah,
So
if
keep going.
anybody's looking to get their credit fixed, this is the place you need to be. I literally started seeing results within the first 30 days. And I know you normally say it takes 30, 60, 90 days, but I definitely saw my results within the first 30 days. And, you'll get them to where they need to be. Just got to be patient. And unfortunately for me, I was not patient, but I definitely saw the results.
Of course, it's a process, but I mean, we got you there. So I'm
hmm
glad we were able to work it out.
We sure
Awesome.
did. We're not done just yet,
We
but
got
we're
some
getting
more
there.
plays to run, of
Right.
course.
We sure
So we got
do.
funding plays, everything. So not only we can
hmm
get your credit right, we can get you also funded as well for your business and get any expense you need.
Absolutely.
But
Business funding is coming soon.
yes, ma'am. Let's
That'll
get
be the
it.
next venture we get on.
All right, perfect. Let's do it. All right, thank you, Brittany. I appreciate you for your time and thanks again. And we look
Of
forward to
course.
speaking with you soon.